Hi, honeys. It's Michelle. I am here to do a Fashom unboxing for you. So I'm super excited. I feel like we all need a little bit to get our minds off of everything that's been going on lately. So I'm here. I've got my morning coffee. When I moved from Florida to Vegas, I was on a road trip with my mom, and I got this mug, and it was the Big Texan Steak Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. And we went there, and I got this wonderful mug. It's a great way to remember a road trip that was one of the highlights of my life. Okay, let's get started. So here's this. I asked my stylist to concentrate on the spring. So we'll see how it turned out. You guys ready for spring? I'm so ready for spring, and I feel like a lot of the boxes that I've been, well, maybe not so much the ones I've been doing, but a lot of the ones that I've been seeing are kind of still all over fall and winter, and I don't know why. We're all out of that mood by now, okay? All right, so inside I've got this Hello Beautiful card. The letter from my stylist says, "Hi Michelle, your spring fashion box has arrived. In it you will find some chic, stylish, and figure-flattering fashion exclusives that will be great new additions to your wardrobe. Love all the spring pieces in this box, especially with Criss and Carol. Floral printed wrapped midi dress. Would look so cute paired with sandals or sneakers and a denim jacket. Hope you enjoy trying on and can't wait to see what works. Morgan." Then there's a card in here, "Better as I am." And it says, "Better as I am, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable." And then my stylist wrote a handwritten note on here, which I think that's a really nice additional touch. "Hello, Michelle. Your new fashion box has arrived with bright pieces you will love. Morgan." I think that's really nice because that lets me know that she's actually at the same facility that the box is at, and she might actually be the one putting it together. Sometimes I hate to say this, I get a little paranoid and I think, is this even a real person doing my boxes, or is it just some computer generated like person who just throws things together? Sometimes I wonder that. I get a little weird sometimes, but so there's that where she hand wrote on it. One nice thing about Fashom as well is for every box that you order, they donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs, which I really like that. Okay, and then of course we've got the bag that I can mail back what I decide not to keep. Here's the bag. The first item is, oh my gosh, I love this pattern. It's so Dexter is my favorite show of all time, and I love the tropical looking everything on that show. And to me, this looks like something that one of the characters on the show would be wearing or something, or I don't know, something in that show would look like this. I just love this tropical kind of pattern. This is the Criss and Carol crisscross top in a 2X. It's red and it's $43. Oh no, this whole box is 2X again. I'm positive I said something. I think I'm positive. I better go check that again too. So, okay, well, I'm sure some of these might run small, or, well, I guess if they're a little loose, so what, right? I guess that's the other thing. I can always reorder any of these in a smaller size, but it's one thing that's a little bit difficult about losing weight. It's so hard to get the new sizes coming. Here's my Dexter themed shirt that I was trying on, and I love it. Isn't this great? It can definitely get you immediately in a nice, cheerful, happy spring mood. And yes, this one is a little bit loose in the belly, but this is perfect for a day when I'm just out and about and I don't want to have to keep fiddling with my top, or if I'm bloated and I don't want anyone to see my stomach, this is perfect. And you could wear it with anything. You could wear it with leggings, you could wear it with shorts, you could wear it with jeans, a skirt. This would be a great thing to get for a vacation because you could wear it with so many different kinds of looks. Just love it. Love the color, love the pattern, love the cut. I'm in love. Then we have this. Oh, this is so cute. So here's the little detail on the sleeves on the edge. Oh, isn't that cute, you guys? I love this lavender color. This is the Mittoshop cotton jersey pinstripe tie sleeve knit top in a 2X, and it's $42. Here is the lavender stripe top. It's got this cute detail on the arm. It's got more of a boat neck cut up here. While this is a beautiful top, I don't think that this is flattering on me. I think it's way too big. I don't even know if I went down a size. I'd almost have to go down 2 sizes. It's just so much extra room in here. So this is not the shirt for me. It's super cute though. I think if this is a shirt that you're interested in keeping, this would be really cute with a white pair of capri pants. And it's something that you could wear just casually throughout the day, wherever you're going. So that's one really nice thing about it is you don't have to only wear it at home or something like that. Then we have this. It's a Criss and Carol woven striped skirt in a 2X in navy and white. Hey, this is really cute. And it's $45. It's like this nice linen fabric, and it's got a thin slip lining in it. So if you don't like the slip linings, you can just cut it out. It says, now it does say, this is hand wash only, and then you dry flat, and then you iron on low. So it's 60% cotton, 40% polyester. So with that polyester, I don't think it's going to be as wrinkly as one that was 100% cotton. Now I could be wrong, but I think that I believe myself to be correct. So here's that striped skirt. It goes about 3 inches below my knees. And I'm just wearing the shirt that I had on this morning when I was talking to you. So it's very playful and kind of fun and twirly. What does Brad think?
I like it.
You do?
Yes.
Oh. I really like it though. So this skirt, it feels very airy, which I'm a huge fan of. I don't know if it's just me, but during the summer, I get kind of hot down there. You know, like my thighs are rubbing together, I'm sweating, right? So it's nice to feel like there's airflow, and there is. There's a lot of airflow. It's very comfortable, very light, and I really like this skirt. Really do. I feel like I could wear it with sandals or even like a white pair of Keds or something. And for me personally, I am at the point in my life where I'm ready to unleash my tummy. I'm not trying to hide it anymore. I have a tummy. People, if they don't like it, they don't have to look at me. But I do have a belly, and it's right here. And free of charge, people can see it now. I'm not going to wear these, because for a long time, all I wore was real long shirts, and I always tried to cover up my belly. And I'm not saying there aren't cute shirts that are long, but I'm not going to try to disguise it so much. It is what it is. It's here. It's not going anywhere. And I really like these crop tops. They're just so comfortable. They're cute. And once again, you can feel air. And it's nice to be able to kind of, if you're getting hot or something, right? Especially in Vegas in the summer. I'm going to need all the air I can get. If I end up keeping this, I will definitely always wear it with crop tops like this, or even like the Target has a bunch of really cute crop tank tops right now that would be perfect with this. I saw one when I was at Target yesterday that now I wish I bought because it would go perfectly with this skirt. And I think it was $10. So, okay, on to the next one. Morgan. I know this stuff is gorgeous. I really love this box. I love all the patterns. Everything is spring and summer forward. This is beautiful. Morgan's got good taste. Okay, this is the Criss and Carol floral printed wrap midi dress in a 2X in gray and blue, and it's $45. Okay. So here's that dress. It's got elastic here, and then it's got this belt here that you can tie however you want, and it's nice and long. And I don't know if I end up keeping this, I would probably end up getting a different belt to put with it, because I feel like with this belt, I kind of look like I'm in a robe, in my robe at the spa. Brad called that one, right? That's what he said. Oh, it looks like a robe at a spa. It's the belt that's doing that, though. It's a beautiful dress, though. It does not have pockets, and everything is stretchy. So if you're worried about the fit, you don't have to worry about it with this. It'll fit fine. Oh wow, this did not photograph well, just so you know. When I saw the picture of this, so they blah, blah, blah. My gosh. So they do send you an email with, I think, 6 or 7 items, and then you can pick up to 5 that you want to have in your box. And obviously things look different in photos. For example, the lavender top that I tried on, that looked solid lavender. It didn't look like it had stripes. I actually like the stripes more, so that works out well for me. And then this one, it looked solid black, but it's actually got this pattern on here. It almost kind of looks like little tulips to me, which I also like more than solid black. So I'm pleasantly surprised. But what this is a dress. It is the Gilli crisscross, or sorry, the Gilli crossover bodice sleeveless A-line dress. It's a 2X in navy and white. And it's $43. And me personally, anything for a casual dress like this, anything under 50 or 55, I'm happy and I'm good to go. And this has, I can just tell looking at it and feeling it, it's that kind of fabric where you're not going to have to worry about a lot of wrinkles either. Sorry about my bra. I definitely wouldn't wear this bra with this dress, but this is the one with the tulips, or what I think are of tulips on it. And it's got this little cross, like a wrap design here, but it's not a true wrap. There's no excess down here. It's nice and fitted here along the rib cage, and it's an A-line dress. It does not have pockets. And it goes just below the knee. This is a wonderful dress, in my opinion, though. You could wear it to a brunch or out to dinner. You could wear it on vacation. You could wear it on a cruise. You could wear it to work. You could wear it to church. For me, this is a slam dunk perfect dress. I absolutely love it. And it's that kind of fabric that's not going to wrinkle a lot either. This also is a nice, light, airy fabric. That last dress that I had on with the flowers on it, it wasn't as light. It was 2 layers and it felt kind of hot. So if I were to pick between the two, I would definitely go with this one. On top of that, I feel like this dress I could wear, or this is the kind of dress that you could wear to more types of functions, whereas that other dress, I had a hard time thinking of where you could wear it to. But this one is nice and light. There's no lining, so it's very breathable. And you know, the other thing that I really like about this, if you were to put a cardigan with this and some thick tights or leggings or something, you could even make this a winter appropriate dress. And to me, the more that you can wear a dress, the more seasons, the better. With this, during the summer, I would probably pair it with some bright yellow earrings or something like that, just to kind of really liven it up. And then I could wear sandals or wedges with it. And, or if I was going somewhere a little bit more formal, I could wear heels with it. I just love this dress. Let me know what you think down in the comments. What did you think? Did you love this box? If you were me, what would you keep? I'm having a hard time deciding what to keep. I wanted to go over the box with you real quick and just explain how everything works. Okay, so they do have a refer a friend, and I'll put that code down in the description box, right down there. It says that if you click on that link and you decide to sign up for a box, you get a $10 discount, and so do I. So it's one of those things where we both get a discount if you use the code. The way that the discounts work is if you keep all 5 items, you get a 30% discount. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get a 25% discount. And then if you need any exchanges or anything, you can just email them and they will send you the correct size or color or whatever it is that you're asking for. For an example, with this box, the subtotal for all 5 items is $218. If I were to keep all 5 items, there would be a 30% discount, which would take $65.40 off of the box. So the total would then be $152.60. So that's a really nice discount. That's one thing I really like about Fashom boxes too, is you still get a 25% discount if you keep 3 or 4 pieces. I've never kept an entire box. I have kept 3 pieces before though. And so it's nice to know that if I decide to do that, I get a 25% discount. That is really nice. I don't know of any other boxes that do that. Usually if you do get a discount, it's only if you keep everything in the box. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so that you can stay with me a while and view my upcoming videos. I'm going to be posting more videos than usual over the next few weeks, just to give you something extra to watch while you're sitting around at home. I know there's a lot of our entertainment has been shut down. Have a great day and try to stay calm. All right. Love you guys. Bye.